Job of the day. We are doing bearing service, check and brakes on this equipment trailer. I'm about 90% sure that these hubs are going to be bad because when I did that one I had to change all 4 hubs, all new backing plates, and they run these things pretty ragged. I did put this wood deck on here about 2 years ago. Did some Apatong 2-inch. Stuff looks great. It's holding up really well. I'll tighten down some of these fasteners that came up, but everything looks good on it. Let's get to it. And we're going up. Driver side's up and passenger side going up. Tester plugged in, no reverse lights, but let's see what we got. Tail markers, front's not working, but it could just be unplugged. That's good. Outside markers good. Right turn is on and working. Left turn is on and working. Back to markers, windy. Good and good. Nice, check lights, or check brakes. Driver side both spinning, good. Rear one looks not good. Let's go. Passenger side free spinning. All right, brakes are working, but let's see what they look like on the inside. It's got warm, all 4 of them did. Are these down? Passenger side, see what we got. Oh, seal broke. Hub's good? Hubs are good. This one's good. Let's go look at the other ones. And what's going on with this one? We are going to have to adjust out the brake so I can get this off. This thing's seized on there, so I'm just going to take the bolts off the backing plate and pull the whole assembly off. And whole assembly coming up. When I get this off, this thing's like fucking on there. Oh, I can get the fasteners at least. Cool. All right, this gets a new hub, new backing plate. I'm doing new backing plates on every spindle. Backing plates off on the passenger side. Let's go to driver. Some metal on the backing plate. Like, hub and drum looks good. We don't need to change that. I'm gonna change the backing plate regardless. So I know it's all 4 new brakes on this trailer. Might have to do the same thing on this front axle. Take this backing plate off. All right, got the brake off and the hub off. So 2 new hubs, 4 new backing plates, and now it's downpouring on me. Didn't put my electric thing in the rain. Whoopsie. All right, I got a parts list. I'm gonna go get 2 new hub and drums. The rears were still good. I just need to grab some brake clean and clean that out. I'm gonna do 4 backing plates, new bearings. All those lights work except for 1 marker. I'm gonna grab a marker light for them. And then when I come back, slap everything together. Back of the trailer, I got spindles clean for the passenger side. Gonna put backing plates on, and I'm doing hub and drums as well. Backing plates are on the passenger side. Gonna put hubs on. Front hub is on, packed. Drum is on and packed. Outer key on the front is on. Dust cap going on. The key on the rear is on. Dust cap going on. I need to adjust the brakes. Front hub is adjusted. Doing the rear. Rear hub is adjusted. All right, I got my tester plugged in. Rear is free spinning. Brakes are on. Rear is locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Front passenger, free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning. Perfect. And heat shrink and butt connectors. And rear. Both sides are shrunk wrap. All wiring works. Gonna get tires on. Tires are on, free spinning. Check brakes again. Brakes are locked up. Brakes are locked up. Perfect. Let's drop this side and do the other side. All right, both backing plates are done on. I'm wiring up the backing plates to the trailer. And then gotta shrink wrap these butt connectors and then pack the hubs. And shrink wrap on driver's side. Backing plates are wired in. Whenever you're putting backing plates on a trailer, it is directional. This swing arm goes to the front of the trailer and this magnet goes towards the ground. Let's pack these hub and drums and get them installed. Got rear on. Well, dirt came off my channel locks. Rear cotter key installed, front cotter key installed. Now I just need to adjust brakes and pound dust caps. Dust cap on the rear is on. Dust cap on the front is on. Let's adjust some brakes. This one actually feels a little too tight. That brake is adjusted. Front's free spinning. Brake is on, locked up. Brake is off, free spinning. Rear. Rear is adjusted, slightly rubbing, free spinning. Brakes are on, brakes are off, locked up. Perfect. Let's get tires on. Finishing tires and wheels. Front driver is on, rear driver is on. Let's clean up. Front marker light got smashed. Putting a new one on. And marker light's working. I do the rundown on this. All trailer lights are working. Left turn, right turn, stop. Marker lights, new bearings and seals, new grease. 4 new backing plates, 2 new hub and drums. The rear hub and drums were good. Everything's adjusted. Everything's working. I'm done. On to the next. Good, I'll come and do it. Passenger side rear done. Driver side rear done. Oh, hello. That's a dropper down.
I got you.
I was like, holy shit, why is that going?
I was waiting because I wasn't sure.
Oh, we're good right there. You're good. Driver side front done.